Surah, number 54, of Quran Majeed. The Moon.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
اقتربت الساعة وانشق القمر.
The hour has drawn near and the moon is split.
وَإِن يَرَوْا آيَةً يُعْرِضُوا وَيَقُولُوا سِحْرٌ مُسْتَمِرٌّ.
If they see a sign, they turn away, and say, an incessant magic.
وَكَذَّبُوا وَاتَّبَعُوا أَهْوَاءَهُمْ وَكُلُّ أَمْرٍ مُسْتَقِرٌّ.
They denied and followed their own desires, and every matter has a setting, appropriate to it.
وَلَقَدْ جَاءَهُم مِّنَ الْأَنبَاءِ مَا فِيهِ مُزْدَجَرٌ.
There have already come to them reports containing admonishment.
حِكْمَةٌ بَالِغَةٌ فَمَا تُغْنِ النُّذُرُ.
And representing far-reaching wisdom, but warnings are of no avail.
فَتَوَلَّ عَنْهُمْ يَوْمَ يَدْعُ الدَّاعِ إِلَى شَيْءٍ نُكُرٍ.
So turn away from them, the day when the caller calls to a dire thing.
خُشَّ عَنْ أَبْصَارُهُمْ يَخْرُجُونَ مِنَ الْأَجْدَاثِ كَأَنَّهُمْ جَرَادٌ مُنْتَشِرٌ.
They will emerge from the graves as if they were scattered locusts with a humbled look in their eyes.
مُهْطِعِينَ إِلَى الدَّاعِ يَقُولُ الْكَافِرُونَ هَذَا يَوْمٌ عَسِرٌ.
Scrambling toward the summoner, the faithless will say, this is a hard day.
كذبت قبلهم قوم نوح فكذبوا عبدنا وقالوا مجنون وازدجر.
The people of Noah impugned before them. So they impugned our servant and said, a crazy man, and he was reviled.
فدعا ربه أني مغلوب فانتصر.
Thereat he invoked his Lord, saying, I have been overcome, so help me.
ففتحنا أبواب السماء بماء منهمر.
Then we opened the gates of the sky with pouring waters.
وفجرنا الأرض عيونا فالتقى الماء على أمر قد قدر.
And we made the earth burst forth with springs, and the waters met for a preordained purpose.
وحملناه على ذات ألواح ودسر.
We bore him on a vessel made of planks and nails.
تجري بأعيننا جزاء لمن كان كفر.
Which sailed over the flood waters, in our sight, as a retribution for him who was met with disbelief.
وَلَقَدْ تَرَكْنَاهَا آيَةً فَهَلْ مِن مُدَّكِرٍ.
Certainly we have left it as a sign, so is there anyone who will be admonished?
فَكَيْفَ كَانَ عَذَابِي وَنُذُرِ.
So how were my punishment and warnings?
وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُدَّكِرٍ.
Certainly we have made the Quran simple for the sake of admonishment. So is there anyone who will be admonished?
كذبت عاد فكيف كان عذابي ونذر.
The people of Ad impugned their apostle. So how were my punishment and warnings?
إنا أرسلنا عليهم ريحا صرصرا في يوم نحس مستمر.
Indeed we unleashed upon them an icy gale on an incessantly ill-fated day.
تنزع الناس كأنهم أعجاز نخل منقعر.
Knocking down people as if they were trunks of uprooted palm trees.
فكيف كان عذابي ونذر.
So how were my punishment and warnings?
ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Certainly we have made the Quran simple for the sake of admonishment. So is there anyone who will be admonished?
كذبت ثمود بالنذر.
The people of Thamud denied the warnings.
فقالوا أبشرا منا واحدا نتبعه إنا إذا لفي ضلال وسعر.
And they said, are we to follow a lone human from ourselves? Indeed then we would be in error and madness.
أألقي الذكر عليه من بيننا بل هو كذاب أشر.
Has the reminder been cast upon him from among us? No, he is a self-conceited liar.
سيعلمون غدا من الكذاب الأشر.
Tomorrow they will know who is a self-conceited liar.
إنا مرسل الناقة فتنة لهم فارتقبهم واصطبر.
We are sending the she-camel as a trial for them, so watch them and be steadfast.
ونبئهم أن الماء قسمة بينهم كل شرب محتضر.
Inform them that the water is to be shared between them, each of them showing up at his turn.
فنادوا صاحبهم فتعاطى فعقر.
But they called their companion, and he took a knife, and hamstrung her.
فكيف كان عذابي ونذر.
So how were my punishment and my warnings?
إنا أرسلنا عليهم صيحة واحدة فكانوا كهشيم المحتضر.
We sent against them a single cry, and they became like the dry sticks of a corral builder.
ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Certainly we have made the Quran simple for the sake of admonishment. So is there anyone who will be admonished?
كذبت قوم لوط بالنذر.
And the people of Lut deny the warnings.
إنا أرسلنا عليهم حاصبا إلا آل لوط نجيناهم بسحر.
We unleashed upon them a rain of stones, excepting the family of Lut, whom we delivered at dawn.
نعمة من عندنا كذلك نجزي من شكر.
As a blessing from us. Thus do we reward those who give thanks.
ولقد أنذرهم بطشتنا فتماروا بالنذر.
He had already warned them of our punishment, but they disputed the warnings.
ولقد راودوه عن ضيفه فطمسنا أعينهم فذوقوا عذابي ونذر.
They even solicited of him his guests, whereat we blotted out their eyes, saying, taste my punishment and my warnings.
ولقد صبحهم بكرة عذاب مستقر.
Early at dawn there visited them an abiding punishment.
فذوقوا عذابي ونذر.
Taste my punishment and warnings.
ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Certainly we have made the Quran simple for the sake of admonishment. So is there anyone who will be admonished?
ولقد جاء آل فرعون النذر.
Certainly the warnings did come to Pharaoh's clan.
كذبوا بآياتنا كلها فأخذناهم أخذ عزيز مقتدر.
Who denied all of our signs. So we seized them with the seizing of one, who is almighty, omnipotent.
أكفاركم خير من أولئكم أم لكم براءة في الزبر.
Are your faithless better than those? Have you been granted some sort of immunity in the scriptures?
أم يقولون نحن جميع منتصر.
Do they say, we are a confederate league?
سيهزم الجمع ويولون الدبر.
The league will be routed and turn its back, to flee.
بل الساعة موعدهم والساعة أدهى وأمر.
Indeed, the hour is their tryst, and the hour will be most calamitous and bitter.
إن المجرمين في ضلال وسعر.
Indeed the guilty are steeped in error and madness.
يوم يسحبون في النار على وجوههم ذوقوا مس سقر.
The day when they are dragged on their faces into the fire, it will be said to them, taste the touch of hell.
إنا كل شيء خلقناه بقدر.
Indeed we have created everything in a measure.
وما أمرنا إلا واحدة كلمح بالبصر.
And our command is but a single word, like the twinkling of an eye.
ولقد أهلكنا أشياعكم فهل من مدكر.
Certainly we have destroyed your likes. So is there anyone who will be admonished?
وكل شيء فعلوه في الزبر.
Everything they have done is in the books.
وكل صغير وكبير مستطر.
And everything big and small is committed to writing.
إن المتقين في جنات ونهر.
Indeed the God-weary will be amid gardens and streams.
في مقعد صدق عند مليك مقتدر.
In the abode of truthfulness with an omnipotent king.